failure. It seems that failure tends to be more public than success, or at least that's what we perceive it to be. We dread it, we try to avoid it, and we question ourselves every time we have unconventional ideas. But the simple truth is, no great success was ever achieved without failure. It may be one epic failure or a series of failures, such as Edison's 10,000 attempts to create a light bulb or Dyson's 5,126 attempts to invent a bagless vacuum cleaner. But whether we like it or not, failure is a necessary stepping stone to achieving our dreams. As Chris Hardwick said, no human ever became interesting by not failing. The more you fail and recover and improve, the better you are as a person. Ever meet someone who has always had everything work out for them with zero struggle? They usually have a depth of a puddle or they don't exist.